And with me right now from our wonderful Village Library is Eileen Ordway. Always good to see you. Welcome.
Good to see you too, Ken.
And you know, in the past you've talked about the way people can reserve books, and it's a great tool for people. And they can go online and do it. Of course, they can come in the library,
Yes.
but we're going to talk about some of the things they can do online to be able to do that easy from their home.
Right. We started a new feature probably at the end of last year called Reserve Express,
Yeah.
where if people have favorite authors, they can go into the system, they sign into the catalog, and they can go to our reserve request section. They can select that they'd like to receive new books from their favorite authors. We have a list of about 40 authors now. We have about 40 people actually who've signed up to do this. So when that author comes out with a new book, they are automatically put on the reserve list. They don't have to think about it. They don't have to watch the catalog to see when we get it added. It just will automatically happen. But when we first implemented it, we didn't have a way to distinguish between regular print books and large print books or CD books, because we do have a lot of people here who prefer the large print. So when we first implemented it, if we got a James Patterson when we had the large print and the regular print, and we had 10 people who signed up that he's one of their favorite authors, they would get put on the reserve list for both of those books.
Okay, and so that's
So then it would just get really confusing. We'd be calling them and saying, "Oh, the large print's ready for you," but I already read it. So what happened was the company who we get this application from, they must have gotten complaints from other people, and they made an update to their application.
Okay.
So now we can say, have a way of letting people select the different types of books. So when you sign into your account, and you go and select reserves request, and you'll see a line that says to request new books.
Okay.
And it'll come up with this list of the authors. But
oh yeah,
now
look
it's
at that.
blown out. So there, I went in and I could select that I would like to get the regular print and the large print for a Nora Roberts.
Okay.
But I just did that to test that you really can. It's not like you can only select one thing.
Okay, I have a question.
Yes.
So you actually have 3 choices here. Am I reading that right? A CD book?
Yes.
Books on audio?
Audio books on CD. Yes.
Okay, got it.
Not like reading them, it's listening to them.
Okay, got it.
Which is starting to get rare, but we still have it, and we have a lot of people who like to do that.
Now, I have another question. Large print books, are they thicker books? Are they physically larger books? Or
no,
every page?
They're the same size books. They may be a little thicker.
Okay.
But what they do is they hardly have any margins.
Okay.
So they just blow it up a little enough that they don't have to make them too thick.
Okay. So that way it's not cumbersome. Because I was wondering about that.
Yes, that's an
how
issue
much
for
bigger
some
is the
people.
font? Have you noticed?
I don't know. Maybe twice.
Okay.
Some of the really small print, but maybe a 50% larger for some of the others.
All right.
Yeah.
Very good. So this is a great way for a great tool that people can use.
Yes. So now if you really prefer large print books, then when we get the large print book in, we will hit that Reserve Express button on our side, and you'll automatically get put into the reserve list. Now, if you do pick both books, because a lot of times not as many people ask for the large print, you might get it faster if you're on the large print list. But then we would say, let us know to take you off the reserve list for the other one.
Yeah, that makes sense. So that way people can choose what they want and whatever comes in first.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, the next one is, as you said, select your authors and book type. And if people want, can they come in? Say they're not very good at going online?
Absolutely.
They can.
We would be happy to help anyone do this. And if one of their favorite authors is not on our list yet, we can add them. So yeah, we would really like people to take advantage of this feature.
Yeah, that's great.
It's really nice.
Now, you mentioned, we talked about the CDs, which are becoming more and more rare.
Yeah.
Are there ways that if you don't have certain ones, you can steer people to audiobooks? If Of course, they have to, like Autobahn, you have to pay for that, but...
We don't have a way to
Okay.
like download to an MP3
Okay,
or
I
to
didn't
your
know if you guys
phone.
had like free ones that come to you or anything
No,
like
we
that.
don't. We looked into like even doing the books that would come on Kindle,
Okay.
and it's just too expensive for us to set that
Right.
up. Because
Okay.
and the Orange County libraries, you can get them through them.
Oh, they can? Okay.
Yeah, most of the people who are readers who come to our library, they also belong to Orange County.
Yeah.
So you can download audiobooks or Kindle type
Okay.
books from them.
Okay, that's good. And nothing taking away from traditional books, but one of the advantages to Kindle and things like that is you can have large print, small print, black
Yes,
on white,
you
white
can
on black,
make
whatever
it,
you want.
whatever works for you.
Yeah.
And the Kindle books are when you go on vacation. Like I was away
Yes.
for 3 weeks, I would have had a pile of books to take with me, and I just got them on my
Yes.
Kindle, and I was good.
My
So,
wife
yeah,
loves her Kindle.
Yeah, even
And
if
you know
we
what?
don't do that, yes.
They last a long time.
Yeah, oh,
I think her
yeah.
previous one she had for maybe, I don't know, 8 years.
Me
And the
too.
battery lasted all that.
Yes.
I mean, of course, you charge it, but
Yes.
it's amazing.
Me too, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
All right, also you wanted to talk about that the old pros, and I wanted to ask you about this. Wednesday, September 25th, well, I know we had recently, we had Carol Shallon on, and she emphasized how another thing they're doing coming up, forget what it's called, it's a weird title, something about the pie or something. I probably have it here. But she said they found the book at the library and really liked it. I'm going to look here to see, oh yeah, the Guernsey Literary and Potato Peel Pie
Oh, okay.
Society.
Yes.
So, but she said, yeah, we found that in the library. And so it's like a group of letters, so we're doing readings and all this. And I guess this is another one that they're doing?
Yes, we actually have 2 of our volunteers at the library are also in the
Yeah.
Old Pros group. And we were trying this earlier, but we're really trying to push publicizing this event.
Mm-hmm.
So we have book clubs that meet every Wednesday, the 4th Wednesday of every
Okay.
month at 6 p.m. So what we're doing is linking the book club book with the Old Pros. So Shelley Rones, who's one of our volunteers, is going to come in at 5 o'clock on Wednesday, September 25th, and she's going to read from this book, Gilead. And then the book club comes in at 6 o'clock, and they were
nice.
discussing it. Yeah, yes, and this book is the first in a trilogy of 3 generations of a family from the Civil War to the 20th century. And the LA Times
Interesting.
Book review for it actually said it's full of passages that beg to be read aloud. So we're
That's
hoping
really,
that,
that's nice, yeah.
yeah. We're hoping that, not only will the book club people come a little early, but other people will come, and then if they wanted to stay and listen to the book club discussion, they're perfectly welcome to do that.
Yeah, I think that's a great partnership.
Yeah, we're
Sort of like-
hoping it will, pick up
Sort of
steam.
live audiobook.
Yes,
Right?
absolutely.
There you go.
And oh my gosh, Shelley and then Lee McMorris is another one. Their voices are amazing. So I think it'll be really enjoyable
Yeah.
for people if they will take
That
advantage
is
of it.
fantastic.
Yeah.
What a great program you
Yes.
have. So the first one is Wednesday the
September 25th.
September 25th.
Not till September.
Yeah,
Yes,
now
so
of
we want
course,
to give it plenty of time
you
to
will
get
be
up
on
to speed.
between that time. You'll be on in about a month from now again.
Yes, I will, and I'll bring it up again
Yeah,
if you
we'll
don't
bring it up
mind.
again.
Yes.
Okay, of course, about a year ago, you started the extended library hours on
Yes.
Wednesday. That's been going good, obviously, because I know it was a pilot program at first.
Well, that was the thing. A lot of people would come in and they'd say, "How long are you going to do this?" And I said, "I'm here. I plan to be here." So I just want to remind people we've been doing it for a whole year.
Okay.
We get about, on average, 15 to 20 people come
Yeah.
in during those hours. So it's not the same as during the day where we would get 60 or 100 people come in on a 3-hour shift. But everybody that comes in, they're like, thank you for being here. So I'm happy to, we're happy to be there. I also get other work done, like finding out things like
Yeah.
Reserve Express.
That's fantastic, yeah.
So it's really worked well. My husband plays volleyball at that time, so he doesn't mind that I'm sitting in the library. So please, if you're listening and you're interested in coming to the library, 4 to 7 on Wednesdays, we'll be there.
Okay, very good. And not just 4 to 7, actually 10.
Yes, 10 a.m. to 7, but
4 to 7 is the
normally we
extended.
close at 4,
Yes.
so yes, it's extended.
All right.
Yeah.
Very good. The library is just a fantastic opportunity. As you've seen, you've got ways to reserve books and great friendly people, and you can also check on maybe volunteering over there as well.
Yes.
They can always use some folks.
Yeah, we had a big party just at the end of July, a volunteer appreciation party, and we had a great time. It was terrific.
Very good. Good to see you
Good
as
to see
always.
you too, Ken.
You take care, and we'll be right back.